Hi, so we're trying something different today. We'll be walking today in the morning. So come with me. Let's walk today in the morning. So this is something different from what we usually do. This is in the morning. We're walking at around 6 a.m. So yeah, walk with me. It's a morning walk. Kasi maglalakad tayo ngayon ng umaga. Wala ganong tao. And I think enjoyable naman siya. So yeah, walk with me today. I think one of the perks of walking in the morning is this. Wala pa gaanong tao. Ayun, vlog natin to. See that? Wala gaanong tao. So, ayan. Ayan. So, ayan na nga. I think we can do this daily for 2026. Kasi nga wala gaanong tao. And I guess it's easier for me to vlog during this hour. Kasi wala gaanong stairs. Medyo nahihiya pa tayo. So, ayun. Maglakad tayo in the morning. Tapos tignan natin, compare natin during golden hour kung mas maganda bang maglakad ng umaga or kung much better talaga pag sunset. So, I guess let's do the video. Start off like a sunrise versus sunset walk. Mga ganyan. So, ayan. So, I did sunrise walks before na din, pero this time it's different kasi I'm vlogging it. I've had a few vlogs of the sunset walk for the last quarter of 2025. So, second day of the year. Yeah. So we're still walking in my usual path. You can see we're here in the Crusaders Church. Here in Ibaliw Magliba. So ayun, so bakit nga ba ako naglalakad ng umaga today? Kasi maaga tayo natulog yesterday, nagbago yung body clock natin. So ayun. So ayan na, malapit na tayo sa dagat. And we'll see if this morning walk is better than the golden hour walk. It's the sunrise versus the sunset. Oh. I think medyo maraming tao today kasi January 2 and Friday. So, tingnan natin. So, ayan. Okay, so ayan, maraming tao. So, let's zoom in there. Ayan, daming tao, di ba? It's too much. Too much people. Oh, we'll go here. My favorite spot. Laga ng tao dito, so ayun. So we're here walking in my favorite spot, January 2nd. It's the morning time. It's a bit gloomy. Medyo gloomy tayo today, so ang daming tao. Hindi ko alam kung tutuloy ako dun sa kabila, pero yun, daming tao. Hmm. So this is the beach in the morning. It's gloomy. I might change route kasi ang daming tao doon. So, baka punta na lang ako ng palengke. Si ate, tumitingin dito. Aga ng Maritas. Morning! So we're at the spot. Diba? Baywalk sira na. Medyo layo-layo ah. So let's walk. Morning! So, ayun. Masyadong maraming tao and it's gloomy here. I don't wanna walk with a lot of people. I'm not ready for that in the morning. So, I guess we'll be heading to the palengke na lang siguro. Straight sa San Fabian. But at least we got to see the beach in the morning. So, I'll just, yeah, walk na lang. I'll walk back. And, yeah, doon na lang tayo mag-walk. But yes, I'm not sure if I can vlog there though. No? Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo ha. So, andito tayo ngayon sa beach. My favorite spot. Wala pa ganun tao dito. But if we zoom out, which I can see now, let me try and zoom out. I'm sorry, zoom in pala. Oh, kita mo yung tao na yan. Ang dami tao, January 2. Diba? Nagpapagaling pa ako eh. Yan si Lolo kanina lang ako sa lubong ko. Good morning ko yan siya. Pagaling pa tayo sa Ubo, so I don't think it's a nice idea to walk there. Just for today. Maybe some other time. So ayun, we're saying goodbye to the beach for this morning walk because as you can see, I just zoomed in to the path and there's a lot of people and we don't want that. I'm not ready for a lot of people in the morning. So I'm not usually a morning person, I'm more of a night owl. So yes, we'll be walking towards the town. Doon na lang tayo mag-walk and let's continue the vlog there. Alright, see ya! Ito, balik na tayo. Because ang daming otauchi, ang daming tao. But it's nice though, morning time. So ayun, morning time siya. Morning time mo. We're heading towards the town because there's a lot of people in the beach. So yeah. So ayun, we're back here. We just went out from Barangay Magliba because mag-change tayo ng route. Masyadong maraming tao sa beach. So instead, punta tayo sa palengke. Doon lang tayo mag-walk. So tara, tuloy natin to. Sa palabas na tayo. Tignan natin kung traffic na. I think di pa naman, pero we'll see. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa Sagot Valley. Hindi pa traffic. Pero tignan natin later. Ikot na tayo. So, ito papunta tayo sa church. Morning. Tahimik pa yung mga streets. Kasi it's about 7 pa lang. We're taking you to a tour sa San Fabian. So, malapit-lapit na tayo sa church. So, this is a very different view from our normal walk. Ayan. So, dito tayo. So, medyo nagiging busy na yung morning. Malapit na tayo sa church. Mili tayo. Kasi dumadami ang sasakyan. Ayan, January 2, dumadami na ang mga tao. Ito rin pala yung path ko pagka nagsisimbang gabi. Di ba? Ang daming mga early birds. 3 kilometers na tayo. Ayan. Naliko na tayo papunta sa church. Tayo lumiko. Ayan na yung church. umaga na lang magdagat today. But they forgot to go to the church. Yan. So yun, we're still walking. 3 kilometers na tayo. So from the beach to the church. Church. This is San Fabian Church. May maingin na motorsiklo, di ba? Yan siya. Ayun ang motorsiklo niya, nakakaloka siya. This is the church. This is our church. San Fabian Church. Tayo dito sa gitna. So usually, dito kami ni Mother nagsisimba. And I'll visit church later para hindi ako mag-vlog sa loob kasi cringe naman yun, di ba? So dito na lang. Oh, this is San Fabian Church. Beautiful, right? Ganda. So we're at the church. San Fabian Church. Gloomy weather overall. And wala pa ganun tao. It's the morning. Ikot lang tayo. Sana wag kayo mahilo. Church. I'm going inside the church, so I'll vlog later. So we're walking towards the church now. So fun fact lang. This is where I went to high school. That's a Catholic school. Ayan siya. Zoom in lang natin. Archdiocese School of San Fabian. Shout out, shout out. See, we're at the gate. And that's the school. Not sure if I'm even allowed to go in, but yeah. So we're here at my high school. It's the Archdiocese School of San Fabian. This is where I knew all of my current best friends. So yeah, shout out sa inyo lahat. ASSF batch 2007. Yeah. So this is the school. That is the church. So we're now entering the school. The gates are open, so I think we can go in. So yeah, this is where I go to school. It's empty today. So for our batch, this is one of our projects. This part. So yeah. That's a basketball court. We used to have a stage there. Pero ngayon wala na. Tinanggal na ata nila. This is the basketball court. This is where we normally do our flag ceremony. So that's the gate of the school, Archdiocese School San Fabian. And this is where kami nagpa-practice before ng sayaw. Used to be the school dancers. Used to be. And dyan normally nag-aantay yung mga parents for their child. Kasi may elementary din dito. is that? It's empty. It's just nice. So yes, we're here at Archdiocesan School of San Fabian. Fun memories. I'm all alone right now. No people here. It's January 2nd. So yes, as I mentioned, nandun dati. That's where we get recognized on a, I think, monthly basis for the grading period. And there, that's where we normally do our practice for our dance way back in 2004, 2005, ganyan. Not much has changed except for the, I guess, the front of the school that has been developed. Before kasi, you can see the library. The library is in there. But now it's, harangan na siya ng ganyan. But the library is still there. I can still see the door. Yeah, so there are improvements. And it's nice to see the school. So we're heading out and we're continuing our walk, which actually did forget to resume the workout. So still here. We'll head on to the Palengke. So yeah, it's empty January 2nd. We're all at the beach and they forgot to, I guess, go to the church. Yeah. So ikot lang tayo because I want you to see the front of the church. So that's that. Let's take a photo. Okay, let's continue. Cute display. Morning po! Okay, so this is the other gate. The other gate of... Yan. Kanina kasi nakabukas yung isa, so you can't read the sign, but that's the sign. Archdiocese School of San Fabian, my alma mater. Hi, shout out. Ayan, ang Archon. Be an Archon. Yung core value pala namin, ayan. Accountability, spirituality, stewardship, and fidelity. Nice, di ba? Accountability, yes. Spirituality, yes. Stewardship, yes. Fidelity, yes. Definitely. This is the school's philosophy, vision, and mission. It's posturing. This is a nice school overall, I'd say. There are pigeons. Pigeons. Sila. They're at the school. So yeah, malapit na tayo sa palengke. Ayan. Siyempre, natawid tayo sa pedestrian lane. Sakit na tayo. Saan natin? Success. Ayan. Another school and another view. And this is the extension of the school. This is their senior high, I think. Yeah. So morning walks isn't too bad. Actually, I think I may have, or I may prefer this. Yeah. So it's almost our town fiesta. It's January 2. Town fiesta is January 19 to 20. This is food strip. Town fiesta. So woo! Hi! So, ayan na yung mga tao. Nasa park. Diba? Dami na rin ina-asenso sa sa San Fabian. Three point 49 kilometers. Put it in wide angle. Yarn. Oh. Pinablin San Fabian. Our fire station. Okay. Fire station. Fire. Fire trucks. Ano ba namin ni Omar? Nasa sports center. Paano natin yung bazaar? So, ito walang cuts, diba? Dire-diretso lang. And this is the municipio, the side of the municipal hall of San Fabian. Streets. Pag anong tao, so, hindi pa naman ako kolekta yung basura. Their stores are closed. So, ayan. Wala pang gising sa mga nagtitinda. Tingnan puyat sila kagabi. This is San Fabian's Municipal Hall. Let's zoom in. Municipal Hall at the front. zoomed out version. It's one of the acacia trees. It's old acacia tree. Mm. This is our sports center. And this is the Christmas decoration that I was not able to visit at night. Soon, probably this is still gonna be there. Still fun in the morning. Yeah, cute. Just see it here from this angle. This is the sports center. See, diba? Yeah, the Venetia Sports and Civic. Diba dapat San Fabian Sports and Civic Center yan eh. Hindi dapat nakapangalan sa The Venetian because this is money of the people. Hindi siya pag-aari ng The Venetia or it's not even a donation of the Venetian. It's the tax of the people. So, yan. I feel strongly about that. Anyway. But yeah. I think the name should be changed into San Fabian Sports and Civic Center. It's better. Para alam naman natin na galing sa sarili natin tax to, hindi sa bulsa or kanino mang galing. Sa pera ng taong bayan, gumawa niyan. So, yan. Yeah, these are new builds. Oh. Hindi ko pala na sabi pala dyan. San Fabian Christmas Circus. Yarn. So, we'll continue walking. 7 minutes na. So, refresh ko lang. This is the Vikings. Diba? In the morning, walang galaw. Dragon's Head. Kitty cats. Yeah. So we're heading out. This is the bazaar. This is usually very busy. Pero sa morning, wala pa ganun tao. Diba? Manda pala mamasyal pag morning. Kasi walang utauchi. Trade na. Ano siya? Ayan, start na sila mag-open. The bazaar. That's the police station. San Fabian Police Station. Having their ceremony. Diba? Still very closed. Nothing's open yet. Just about to open. 4 kilometers na tayo. So, tingnan lang natin yung mga rides na hindi pa operational in the morning. Okay, flower wheel. Sabi dyan, flower wheel. May-ari nito, classmate din namin. I mean, yeah, batchmate namin. Si Ibasan. Because this is RDI. And ayan, meron pa isa. Not sure what this is. RDI. Walang ni. Ayun, frisbee daw. Frisbee. Okay. So parang, if frisbee ka dyan, and this is the merry-go-round. The Mulberry Bush. Merry-go-round. Let's go around the merry-go-round. Okay. That's for kids. In this little park here is what we call the Mutya ng San Fabian Park. This is Mutya. Mutya ng San Fabian. Actually, Mutya ng Pilipinas. Beautiful. I think this is a willow tree. A willow tree. This is rare. Madami yan dati. Ewan ko ano nangyari. Siguro na bagyo. Ganyan. But yes. This is Mutya ng Pilipinas. Oh, di ba? Mutya ng Pilipinas. Tayo dun sa harap ng park. I guess kaya siya tinawag na Mutya ng Pilipinas because it's a girl. Ayan siya. Let's try to go. Okay, yan. 360 view of the park. Yan. Tayo sa harap. Hindi naman puti. So, ayan. Nilagyan ng natin yung karatula ng mutya. Ayan siya. Sad lang hinarangan nila. Dapat din nila hinaharangan. This is Mutya ng Pilipinas. Ayun, yun pala yung official name. Mutya ng Pilipinas Garden. So, this garden is an old garden. Older than me. Older than, I guess, the working class. Nabutan pa ni mama to, nabutan pa ng lolo ko. So yan siya, Mutya ng Pilipinas. Hindi ko alam saan tayo pupunta. Saan na ba? Siya lang. Pakita ko lang yan sa inyo. Balik na tayo saan tayo nang siya ng Pilipinas. May mga bench din siya. Ayan, bench. Ah, diba? Cute na tao. Fairy Temple Run. Pero ang ganda ito, willow tree. Let me take a picture. Willow tree. Diba? Hindi ko siya napapansin on a daily basis. Pero, ganda. Ayan. Oh. Ayan siya. Tour of Mutya. Hindi ko alam sino may nagtutour ba ng mga vlogger dito sa San Fabian. But, I don't think meron. Might be the first one. Kasi nga, is a little bit underappreciated. This is the hut. Fun fact, meron siyang mga parang hieroglyphics dyan sa taas. This is quite artistic. Hindi ko alam sino exactly yung artist. So if anyone who's from San Fabian, a native from San Fabian, who knows who did the art, if this is really artistic, this is really nice. And let's look at the gazebo. Medyo baba tayo ng konti. That's the view of the gazebo. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Nagaganda lang ako. Pero ito pinakamaganda sa lahat ng features. The willow tree. Dalawa pala sila. Yun yung isa willow tree. That's the other one. This is the other one. Okay, yun lamang. Willow tree and the frisbee. Merry-go-round. Normally, wala naman to mga to. Kasi normally, it's just a walkway. is the library. Zoom in natin ng konti. So, Attorney Jose A. Arruiza Memorial Library. One time nakapasok na ako dyan. I think it's a free library for all. And for the Gen Zs and the Gen Alpha, a library is where you house a book or books. Okay. Flip ko lang camera para kita nyo ako. Explain. Okay. So we're at the back side. This is not the front side. This is Attorney Jose A. Arruiza Memorial Library. So I went there once just to look inside. I was just curious. So for the Gen Z and the Gen Alpha, a library is where you house number of books, educational books or literary books. So andyan, this is the old school Google for those who don't know what a library is. But yeah, it's an information bank. Yeah, fun fact lang. And so let's continue walking. Uwi na rin tayo. Wala na rin naman tayo gagawin pa. So nakaka 4.2 kilometers na tayo. So go home. Also, that's the street pala papunta sa palengke. Over there. Dire-diretsuhin mo yan, doon. Zoom in na lang natin kasi hindi na ako pupunta ng palengke. Yun. That's the street going to the palengke. Kita nyo naman, ayan. Marami rin tao sa palengke. Okay. Sumunod na tayo. So, ito naman yung another walkway papunta sa church. So that's the church. Ayan yung church. Bango ng tubig. 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 So, let's check. Ano check? Okay, pwede tumawid. Tawid na tayo. Balik lang ulit tayo dito sa church. Church. Tawid na tayo. Tawid na tayo. Tapos na yung tour. Yan pala. Hindi ko na-discuss to nung Misa de Gallo eh. Pero yun yung parol. I think meron silang parol making contest. Parols. So, ayan. Ang mga parol. This is parols from different barangays here in San Fabian. Puno ng parol. Hindi ba? Dapat nung Christmas pa dapat to eh. Parang this is very artistic. Gawa sila sa indigenous materials. Organic materials mostly. Mga abaka. Mga yan. Oh, di ba? Dami. And again, that's a church. Our beautiful church. Ayan. So, we're going out na. Okay. Pag-go out na tayo. I'll head home na tayo. Ay. We're heading back home. So, ayun, pauwi na tayo. Kakape tayo lang later. So, see you there. So, pauwi na tayo. Hmm. Tinago ko na yung gimbal. So, baka medyo shaky-shaky ng footage natin here. Lang. So, malapit na tayo sa bahay. Pauwi na tayo. Yun. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. Continue na lang natin. Kakape lang din ako. Ay, so nandito na tayo sa room ko ngayon. So, ayun, we're able to do 5.96 kilometers or almost 6 kilometers of walk. So, I toured you around the beach na madaming tao. Then, pumunta tayo sa church. And then, pumunta tayo sa palengke. Punta natin yung Mutya. And then, fast forward dito na tayo sa bahay. So, ayun, thank you guys for walking with me today. And this is January 2nd of 2026, second day of the year. So, yeah, let's start the 2026 journey with this walk. So I hope you guys enjoy the tour around San Fabian, and this is my town. And yes, thank you so much for walking with me. Again, my name is Steven, and this is One Walk at a Time. All right, bye.